left him. He kept coming back waiting for her. And then he's trying to kill himself over the bird. He hasn't been back in a day because he had her yesterday, but he's shitting all over the chair because he was fighting with her.
Normally I won't ask, but can I smoke with you?
Yeah.
Please.
Hold on, I'm getting this. She's getting this on YouTube. Crazy bird. Yeah.
Oh yeah, get this on YouTube.
Crazy bird. Crazy bird.
I want to see
Watch,
this.
watch. I'll call it crazy bird. Crazy bird. And it'll just crazy bird.
Is it flying in the window yet? Did
Crazy
you get
bird.
it?
Come here, crazy bird. Come here, crazy bird.
Hold on. Watch this. No, let it get close. Watch, I'll scare the shit out of it right when it comes up. Watch, ready?
It's not
No,
coming.
step back, Shannon. They can see you. I found out. They can see anything over that way. They can't see you right here. Tell me when it comes starts. Come close. Okay, here he is. Ready? You fucking with the bottom. The best is when you fly into this and I'm scared. He'll go all the way. He'll like slide all the way down the fucking window.
But have you ever seen a bird do that?
No.
And it was in
When it
love
comes
with the
back.
other.